Changing your payout method on River Income is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment preferences easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the River Income website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select payout method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use iSRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your new payout method. You will see a list of available payout methods. Select the one you wish to use, such as PayPal or direct bank transfer. Follow the prompts to enter any required information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure your new payout method has been successfully updated. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to River Income support for assistance.